Hello everyone, this is Sean, and this is part 3A, or the intro for part 3 of the 97 Herbie build. I'm going to be painting the inner doors of Herbie with the Tamiya AS26 Light Ghost Gray. So we'll see how it goes. Pleasant surprise that the Light Ghost Gray is not significantly any different than the gray primer color was. So that'll be it for now. I'll let it dry and I'll come back when it's dry and we'll do some touching up. See you later. Okay, hello everyone. This is Sean, and this is the next section of the Herbie build. I realized I forgot the chrome tree that had the exhaust, so I can't exactly work on anything but the interior bucket. You can see here how I've already assembled the seats. Of course, you also see how I'm going to have to touch up the back of the seats, get rid of the black from the plastic. But I have also, working on the running boards, I did the silver trim first, so you can see here. Did it on the other side, and of course I glued the backing to all the seats. So the next step will be to attach the rest of the seats to the interior bucket before I put the gear shift and emergency brake and foot pedals in place. And then after that I'll try the doors. So I'll be back. Alright, so the back seat has been fixed. It's time to put it in its configuration. I fixed the back of the front seat as best I could. So we'll see how we do here. Do the edge, of course. Alright, so I'll put it in place and I'll be back. Alright, so as you see, the seats are installed. Now I'm going to get the other parts ready and I'll be back. Alright, so you can see I have the three parts here, and you can see how each part has been labeled with the part number. So I'm going to separate them. Here. Try not to lose it when that happens. And I'll be back. Here's the small parts. I'll assemble them now. Okay, I'm back. So here I am having assembled the interior bucket of the car. So you can see... Oh, there you go. You can see the foot pedals and the gear shift. And in between the seats, the emergency brake. So I'll try to assemble the doors now. I'll be back. Alright, now painted the running boards, so I'm going to have to label the running board section of the guide as detail painted. And then I'll work on more engine assembly. I'll be back. Alright, so I have the 4 other engine parts ready to assemble to the chassis, so we'll see how this goes, and I'll be back with that. Alright, so I have assembled the engine onto the chassis, and I got the first hose in place. I'm letting the glue set before I put the second hose in, which is in the bag here. And I detail painted the running boards, so I'm going to assemble the interior now. I'm gonna snap the doors into place on the interior, but there is a picture of the engine. So I'll be back. Alright, getting ready to put the doors into place, and that's about the final assembly for today. So I'll be back when I've done that.
Oh yeah, that's very good. Well, then you know who I am. I do armor, I do figures, I do ships. Just started some submarines.
Yeah? If you want to do submarines,
I gotta speak to Joe, yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
As soon as he mentioned subject,
I have done the doors on the interior. I finished the engine on the chassis and got the two hoses in. I just had to fix the engine so it was actually properly aligned in its slot. That's why the hoses weren't fitting.
Yeah, he was asking $1.80.
But that is about all I can do today on Herbie because
You can't find
I forgot to bring the mufflers. Oh, and I finished the running boards.
Now I gotta.
Silver on the edge, black on the top.
I've done the
But that's all I can do on
section.
Herbie today, and it's about 4 o'clock.
That's big, so that was
Meeting
like
ends
my
around
first real
5. I'm going to head out at
experience.
4:30, so
motorized?
I'll
No,
pick
no,
this
no.
up next time when I build more. Bye-bye.